Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll show you how to deal with marks or smudges on your MacBook so it look clean and neat again. If you are a MacBook user, you already know MacBook are very prone to fingertips and finger touches. If I simply use my finger to touch it here, a fingerprint will appear on your screen. So to avoid that and to clean it first, for light smudges or fingerprints, use a small lint microfiber cloth. I already have a microfiber cloth right here. You can use it to clean your screen any way you like. Avoid using harsh chemicals like bleach or Windows cleaner as they can damage and finish the hardware of your MacBook. If the mark is on the keyboard, you can try using a soft brush or compressed air to remove dots stuck between the keys. And remember, regular cleaning with microfiber cloth keeps your MacBook looking new and prevent marks from building up. And that's it guys, quick and safe ways to clean marks of your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, hit that like, share and subscribe for more MacBook care tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.